One question I've started asking recently a lot to now our team, like we have a leadership team of 7 people, some of them in the Philippines, some of them US based. When like we're building this new rev team, and the questions I keep asking are like, what are the problems we're going to run into? Like, what's going to break here? Let's think about that part so that we can get ahead of it. Not like, let's wish for the stars and hope that this works. Like, no, let's be realistic and try to look at, okay, well, if this happens, how's it going to break? And then try to build it. Like, obviously you're going to run into what you're going to run into, but if you can at least ask everybody, how do you see this not working? Let's fix it before we get there. It brings up a lot of really interesting insight because I'm not everywhere. I don't want to be everywhere. That's the reason that I created something scalable. So I have to trust and lean on the people who I've entrusted these positions with to tell me how things are going to work or if they're not going to work very well for different reasons, and just be humble enough to take their thoughts and their opinions because we put them in that place for a reason, and create processes accordingly.